Alright traders, hello, happy weekend. This, look, I don't want to make this video too long. I was going to do a watch list and an end of week update on how the Euro Aussie went. Now, I have noticed the Euro Pound. The Euro Pound, this is a potential short here for next week. So ideally that week, I would like to see a little bit more length in that week, take out a few more stops, and obviously for people in the sell trade, and then just continue downwards. So is it the 55? That's 55. So this is an interesting trade here. What I'll use Monday as is an information gathering sort of day, but definitely the Euro Pound is short still. But use the Monday as a day to gauge what sentiment's like, and you sort of go from there. Euro Aussie. And I hope everyone had a great week as well this week. Didn't work like heaps, but I worked quite a bit. I think I took 2 trades this week. I did Pound Aussie, which was just an attempt, short, tighter stop. I'm in a group on Slack, and they were talking about it, and I just made a play at it. So, normal size, I risked 2% of the account, so what I'm going to use November for is one more month with this trading site, then I'm going to go up to about 10k. So, and just to show people what it's like and that sort of thing, and just hopefully maybe attract a few more people to the channel as well, because I would really like to hit 500, and then ideally before the end of the year 1,000. But I guess sort of the way I trade is not that exciting and things like that. And I've dabbled in stock trading, but the thing is, I'm much more familiar with Forex, and it just makes a lot of sense to me, and I'm very comfortable with it. And I've been trading Forex now. Well, I started to learn. There was the Walter Peters Naked Forex Now Forum, November 2015. I can't remember exactly. I think it was like mid-November, and then it's just sort of grown from there. And now this is my, it's a full year of live trading and understanding. I've been to a prop firm, this sort of thing. I'm in a little bit of a situation where I've got 2 opportunities. China, not trading related. It's using my university qualifications in a full-time job in China, or I go to Sydney in February for more trading. So we'll see. The trading is in the Bitcoin futures market and Ethereum. So we trade those 2 products on BidMEX at the firm that I'm still contracted with as well, Star Beta. So, pardon me. So yeah, decisions. Well, see. Yeah, so it was the Pound Aussie, and I think that was it for this week. No, in Pound Yen. Not the Euro Aussie. Euro Aussie was last week, so about $20 this week, so it's not, it's not too bad. Euro Aussie, as you can see, is pretty flat. Let's see how, if we go to the 4-hour, it's it's petered out. The stop is a break even, so there's no risk on this trade. There's not a whole lot I can really say. As you can see, it doesn't take a genius to sort of look at that price action and go, to me, it sort of looks like it has bounced a little bit. I see this probably just grinding up to the stop on Monday. But, it's hard to tell. It could gap down. We'll see. Now, golly gosh, Aussie Yen, there's a potential. I was in the chat and we were talking about this. Aussie Yen, still probably a buy trade. I was talking about a reversal, but reversals are just a lot harder. So if you are a reversal trader and you're like, yeah, I've got to get the best value, it's just a little tougher, that's all. Because you're more prone to being faked out. So I'm going to leave that for now. Euro Pound I'll go back to. So the plan here is to use the Monday, see what it does. Ideally, it goes a little higher, more wicks, and then Tuesday, probably like 4 or 5 p.m. Perth time, it starts making a move lower and use the 55 as the stop, and you sort of go from there. I mean, an aggressive stop would be above the wicks, just above the wicks. But you gotta understand though that the tighter the stop, the more prone you are to it stopping up prematurely. So that's the only consideration. So it's either the 55 or the 20 or price action. So I've sort of got a little more flexible with that in regards to positioning of the stop loss. So we'll see from that. I mean, this isn't, my last day, my last 2 days with this sort of trade. I mean, this isn't a scalp trade though. And I will be able to do some scalping next week as well with my buddy Tony on the Gold Coast, working together on a few ideas. So this is the pound Aussie. I made an attempt at this. Here it is here. So I did try and short it. Sort of rallied up a little bit, closed out, pretty much break even, and it's continued down. So my bias on the Aussie, pound Aussie, is short. But let's see how the week went. I guess it is an end of week update. I'll do a more detailed watch list tomorrow. I do sometimes like to have a day off from making the videos, but I will do the watch list either today or tomorrow, but Monday I don't trade. So Monday's really great because you're getting that information, you're sort of letting the market tell you what's going on, which is great. Unless it's like a gap play, I am looking to do that potentially. Did I save new password? It's embarrassing. Thought that was... Oh, it is correct. Okay. Just really slow. We'll just see how the week went. Again, it hasn't been, this year hasn't been fantastic, but it's not been terrible. A short video is less than 10 minutes. So if you're thinking, you said short, Scott, but I did. I didn't say it was short. Alright. Alright, this week, 1.8%. So that's what we're looking at. Look, I tried to take as many opportunities as I could, to be honest. So that's how, yeah, update the password. So last month it would have been, 5.5%. I had an Aussie short that I closed out early. So I've just kind of, stay true to the rules and just be disciplined. So this is how the month is looking. And, transparent. Now, people have issues looking at my FX book. It's Cold BB Live. So, FX Bullish is I've tried to send links to people and it just doesn't work. So I don't understand. I log out of this account. I go to the public MyFX book, search for me, and I can't find me either. So, it's a little frustrating. So, I understand there's a transparency issue with you can't follow me. If you want to follow my live trades, really, there's no point doing that. Like, you have to learn. You can't. I really feel that you just need to learn how to trade, and you sort of go from there, really. Now it's showing all the trades taken on this account. So this is not 107. I made about 37 trades this year. That's from when I first started back in 2016 on this account. So let's just go down and see how it looks. So Euro Aussie pound yen. Euro Aussie is still being held, so we'll see what it wants to do. Anyway, guys, that's the video. Thank you for watching. Bye for now. Watch this video either tomorrow morning or tonight. We'll see how I go. See you guys. Have a great day.